Hello students, today we will discuss a topic of class 6, subject biology, chapter 4, health and hygiene. Students, yesterday we have started this chapter and we have completed the first topic, that is health. We have also started the second topic, that is disease, and we have seen that how diseases are classified into communicable and non-communicable diseases. Today we will discuss the communicable diseases. Let us discuss communicable diseases. Diseases which can spread from one person to another are called communicable diseases or contagious diseases. These are also called infectious diseases or infections. Examples are COVID-19, malaria, influenza, chickenpox, measles, etc. These diseases are caused by very small microorganisms called germs, like virus, bacteria, protozoa, and many more. These microorganisms are so small that they cannot be seen through unaided eye. They can only be seen through the microscope. Now, how these germs or how these microorganisms spread from one person to another and cause disease? They spread through air, food and water, direct contact, and insects. We will discuss about their modes of transmission one by one, but before that, let us discuss how this disease COVID-19 has got its name. CO from corona. The name of the virus is corona. So CO from corona, VI from virus, D from disease, and 19 from 2019, as this disease started in 2019. Now let us discuss the various modes of transmission of these germs. Through air. Students, when we are healthy and that time if we sneeze or cough, the minute droplets that come out from our mouth will not carry the germs. But students, when we are diseased, when we are suffering from any infection, that time if we cough or sneeze, the minute droplets that come out from our mouth or nose will carry germs. And if any healthy person is standing nearby us, then that person will inhale these minute droplets carrying germs, and that healthy person will also get the disease. And that's why we must close our mouth, we cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze when we are diseased. So, some diseases spread through minute droplets in the air. These diseases which are spread through minute droplets in the air are called droplet infection or airborne diseases. Few examples are influenza, tuberculosis, cold, measles, etc. Diseases also spread through food and water. How do they spread from food and water? Suppose a person is suffering from any infection and he has eaten some amount of food, but he has left some amount. Then what will happen? The leftover food will contain the germs of that diseased person. And if that food is eaten by any healthy person, then that healthy person will get that disease also, because that germs has entered in that healthy person. Similar other processes, other methods are given how these germs spread from one person to another. In your book, you will go through this topic. Some diseases spread through contaminated food and water. Diseases which are spread through contaminated food are called foodborne diseases. Here, contaminated means the food that contains germs. And the diseases which is spread through contaminated water are called waterborne diseases. Few examples are typhoid, cholera, dysentery, etc. The third mode of transmission is direct contact. Some diseases like conjunctivitis, eye infection, Scabies skin infection is spread by direct contact like shaking hands or by sharing things like towel, comb, etc. The last mode of transmission is through insects. Some diseases spread through insect bite, for example, malaria spread by mosquito bite. Insects that carry diseases causing germs are called vectors. Suppose a person is suffering from malaria and a mosquito has bitten that person. That mosquito will also bite any healthy person. Then that healthy person will get the germs of that diseased person through this mosquito. In this way, the malaria or any infectious disease which are spread by insects are spread. Students, now I am giving you few assignments which are given in your book. These questions are given in your book. You will answer these questions in your fair notebook. What are communicable diseases? How do they spread through food and water? List the factors that affect the health of a person and draw a flow sheet diagram to show the classification of diseases.